What up, guys? What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you later.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Me? Chilling like always. You already know. So, today y'all can see we back in the garage again. We're not on the bike. I know some of you guys probably wondering, like, yo, King Jaffe Joe, we haven't seen no rides videos. Like, truth is, crashed my bike. I hit a bale of hay. It wasn't a whole bale. It was probably like a corner of the bale. I was doing like, you know what I'm saying, a decent speed. Hit the bale. Kept going for a little bit, and I stopped because I knew I hit the hay. There was going to be hay all in my radiator. So, pulled over to look at it. And lo and behold, radiator started leaking. So I had to get a tow home, which wasn't fun, but shit happens. All right, so what we're gonna be doing today is putting in a new radiator. This radiator here was on back order for about a month and a half, and guess what? Today it finally came in. I had my boy pick it up for me, and we're gonna be making a video installing the radiator. And we're gonna be making some more ride videos soon. And just one more thing. I just started a page on Facebook for you guys to ask more questions. It's gonna be like, it'd be faster to get in contact with me because I'm not always checking my YouTube comments. So go on Facebook. My Facebook page is King Jaffe Joe Community. You guys join it. If you got any questions or suggestions, anything you want to say, share some pictures. You know what I'm saying? Join the page. Easier way to contact me. So let's get to this right now. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna be doing here is, first thing is you gotta take off the front of your, first you gotta take off your hood, then you gotta take off your front end. Obviously you can see I got that done because I've done it a while ago. It's been off for about a month and a half, but there's a couple videos showing you how to do it. I showed you guys how to do it in Smitty's video, the one when I'm doing his side trim pieces. There's a bunch of videos out there on how to do the take off the front end, so I'm not gonna show you how to do that because mine's already off. All right, guys, so let's get to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with taking off the clamps. So these clamps don't have bolts on them or screws on them, so they're like those what are factory obviously, and they're like clipped on. So you gotta break them off. And you're gonna have to replace your clamps because the new one doesn't come with any. So you know, it's only $289. So why would you think you're gonna get free clamps with it? But easy, they're easy. You flick up, there's a little side, you flick it up, and then you just pull it with some pliers, and it comes right off. All right, guys, so now if you're looking at the clamp, see I just bent this little tab right here up. I took the screwdriver, flicked the tab under there to pull it up, and then I'm just gonna grab it with the pliers, just give her a little pulley, and then there you go. It pops open, comes off. That's it, that's how you get that off. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna take my channel locks, give it a little grab here just to break it loose. Now I should be able to pull it right off, nice like that. Do the same thing to the other side. Pull her off. Now, after you get those done, you're gonna take a 10mm and you're gonna loosen up these screws here.
It slides right out.
And it should slide right down. All right, now we got our radiator out. All right, now once you get the radiator out, there's gonna be a clip here that connects your fans. Just pull that little clip, little tab on the bottom, just pull that out, and that's gonna release your fans. So now you can remove the fan off the back of the radiator. All right, now that we got our radiator out and our fan unplugged, we're gonna remove the fan off the back side of the radiator. 10mm again for those. All right, gonna take our fan, just set it right there for now. All right, so on your bike, you're supposed to have these little, so on your bike, on the bottom of your frame here, you're supposed to have these little bushings. You're supposed to have 2 of these sitting here. They just basically sit there in the holes, and your fan sits on top of that. Actually, I think it might have been made onto that, huh? Looks like that might have been made onto there. Oh, I think there's tabs on the bottom of this fan that went into these rubber things. Yep. Yep. So on the bottom of your fan, there's these rubber things that are supposed to be in these two holes. I'm actually missing one. And on the bottom of the fan, there's these little tabs that are made on the bottom of the fan, and they go into these rubber garments that go into the bottom. So I should actually replace my fan, because that's actually what really holds the bottom of the radiator in place. Is that thing inside there, and there on top. So I should replace my fan, which I'm not gonna do today. The radiator, oh, there it is there. It looks like this got pushed back. For some reason, that must have not been seated right for some reason, and it got pushed back into there. I don't know. It is what it is. All right, so we got our new radiator. We're gonna throw our fan, line our fan up. So we got a new radiator. We're gonna line our fan up, throw our screws in there, our four 10 millimeters. All right, now we got our fan back on there, so we're gonna plug our fan up and put her up where she goes. I'm actually gonna order another rubber thing to go here, and probably a fan. Gotta get a fan. Well, I might not even order a fan. My friend was just telling me, like, what I should do is I can probably drill some holes in the bottom of this here and put bolts that go through here, and then have the bolts go into the rubber things. All right, guys, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit our fan back up here. Well, since my tabs on the bottom are broken, it's just gonna be sitting here for now. I'm gonna put it in there. The bottom of the face is gonna hold it up. Definitely gonna be in the wet there to hold it, but these are gonna hold it all the way. So we're good. Well, the screws that go here. We're good. All right, so I'm just gonna reach down here, plug her in. You heard that click? You heard that click? Clickety click, click, click. Hose clamps here. Look at him, look at him. A couple hose clamps. Ready. Nice new radiator, there we go. All right, guys, there we go. Got a nice new radiator installed. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill her up with your dealer recommended antifreeze. So you read your manual, it's gonna tell you what kind of antifreeze you wanna use, and that's what you're gonna wanna use in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill her up, I'm gonna start her up, I'm gonna let her run for a while, make sure all the air bubbles get out. Once I let her run for a while and get up to temperature, then I'm gonna open this up slowly just to release the air, to let the rest of the fluid go down. Once I'm done doing that, the fluid may go lower, so then you want to add a little bit more fluid. Once the bike cools down, never open your coolant reservoir with when it's hot. All right, guys, so this is your boy King Joffy Joe. That was another quick one for you. Check me out on my Facebook channel. Hit me up on Instagram. Until the next one, guys. Peace.